Hello and welcome to Pixel Pro Studio. On this channel, we will learn about UIUX designing from basic level to advanced. But first of all, we will discuss about what is UIUX. Number two, when it came into being, and number three, why it was necessary. So, question number one: what is UIUX designing? UI refers to whatever we see on our screen, that is either buttons, color scheme, icons, or typography, etc. Where UX is about the overall experience with that web or app, specifically the usability, accessibility, user satisfaction, etc. Number two, when it came into being. So this field came around 2010 or 15. Now, most important question, why it was necessary. So before 2010 or 15, simply the owner gave the order of web and app, and web or app was developed by website or application developer. But there was a problem that after the website or application was completed, it was not liked by the owner. So in this way, both were suffered from this. So for the solution of this problem, the field of UI/UX came into being. So problem of both owner and developer was solved. So simply in UIUX, we make the model of application by designing and show it to the owner that how it would look after it is completed by the developer. So in this way, both time of developer and money of owner would be saved. Now let's talk about some famous tools for making UI/UX designs in the modern time. So some famous softwares for making UI/UX designs are Figma, Adobe XD, and Framer. But the tool which is considered most easy to use is Figma. In the next video, we will study the basic interface of Figma. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.